Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have CS2 and the Music Kit. Now take the first steps. Open the game, navigate to Settings, then Audio, and enable the Music Kit option so the system can load custom tracks. Once enabled, select the kit from your inventory list and assign it to a loadout slot to ensure it plays in rounds. This binds the kit to your profile. Finally, set a key for previewing songs in the main menu so you can audition tracks quickly before jumping into matches. Now customize how the kit behaves in-game. Open the workshop or inventory editor to reorder tracks and choose which songs play in specific contexts. Prioritize intros or high-energy tracks for round starts. Then fine-tune audio mix. Lower music by a few dB if gunfire and comms need clarity, and enable gentle crossfade to avoid abrupt transitions. Also check each track's length and set start offsets so songs don't cut off mid-round. This keeps pacing consistent and reduces distractions during play. Finish by validating your setup in a private server. Listen during warm-up, round starts, and round ends to confirm transitions and volume balance. If something goes wrong, first check the Music Kit file integrity and reinstall the kit from inventory. Make sure Steam and CS2 have permission to access user content. Also clear shader and game cache and fully restart CS2 to force asset reload, because lingering cache data often prevents new audio assets from appearing. Once stable, save settings and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.